Sunday, guys. I hope y'all are having a great day. I love my outfit for today. I wanted to show y'all what I have on. So this was my outfit for today. I love this combination. Skirt from Shein and this cute sweater that's totally giving fall vibes is also from Shein. I love this. I love this outfit so much. So much. I'm loving my style now. My style has definitely changed a lot from my old videos. I have done a lot of growing, and growth brings change, but change is not always bad. I love my style, and that's my new look. Now that I'm older, I've adopted this new style, this more grown, mature style that I love so much. It's giving old money, and I'm into it. I don't know, y'all. It's just giving young and sophisticated, you know? And I really like that. I really am liking it. I feel comfortable. I feel like people will look at me differently when I dress this way versus the ways I used to dress. Got the earrings in. Gold is my color, y'all. But anyways, just wanted to show y'all my outfit for today. And I'll see y'all. And now I need to finish decorating the outside. Probably pick up another mom because the one that I got, I don't know if I showed y'all, but I picked up two moms. They're red moms, and one of them is kind of small. The other one is nice and big, so I want to replace the small one with the big one. So I might go do that. I have some decor I want to put up and just decorate my front porch for the fall. I might do that today, but I had a late start today, so honestly, this clip might just be an OOTD, to be honest with y'all. We'll see how the rest of the day goes, if I feel like going out, if I just want to chill. I also need to paint the pumpkins. I don't know if I'm in the mood. Is there ever days where you just don't feel like doing anything? Because today is that day for me. So I have this big box of pumpkins right here. I wanted to paint all my orange and that green pumpkin. I wanted to paint them all this light terracotta color. So I picked up this paint from Walmart, the pink cloud and the pumpkin color, and I'm thinking about mixing it to come out with the perfect color. I forgot to pick up white paint. Bae's gonna take them to me because they're so heavy. Oh, please don't fall back. Okay guys, so I am actually going to paint all of these pumpkins pink. Well, not pink, a terracotta color. I wasn't sure if this color would be too pink, so I bought this. The name of the color is just so fitting. We're going to paint these pumpkins and see if we can get that cool terracotta color. I might leave some of these white ones white, but I'm not sure. So it's coming out more pink than terracotta, but I'm kind of liking it. But I think I will mix the other paint to see if it gets more of that terracotta look. I feel like with the orange pumpkins, I won't have to do that. I'm hoping just the pink alone will be good enough. But yeah, guys, what do y'all think so far? So cute, isn't it? I decided to mix the colors, but it kind of came out like this vibrant pastel orange, which is not what I was going for. But I'm gonna try it anyways because maybe, just maybe, it might surprise me. Who knew painting pumpkins would be such a science? So I grabbed a rag. I feel like it's applying better than the brush was. The brush made it look really just goopy. I feel like the rag is applying it faster as well, so we'll see. I'm going to add some more of the pink because it's looking a little too pastel orange. Once I get the perfect color, I think the painting will go by so much faster. I'm loving how this is coming out. It looks so much better. I'm loving the texture as well. Ooh, I cannot wait till I'm done with all of them. So now I'm gonna go back over this pink one so that it doesn't look so pink. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna finish the rest of these up and I will be right back to show y'all how they turn out. Y'all, I think this one came out the best. Do y'all see that? Ooh, my shadow's in the way. Do y'all see that texture? Just wait till it dries. It's gonna look so good. Here it is in low lighting. You can still see the texture. Y'all, I cannot wait. Ooh, I cannot wait. Alright guys, so this is how they turned out. I love, 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 love. They definitely look like terracotta, especially with the texture. You definitely need to get a chalk paint if you want to achieve that terracotta look. Turned out so good, y'all. It's getting late, but the lighting is just perfect. Like, it just really sets the mood. Even Femur is surprised. I know, right? Wow. And then the lights back there, the little Halloween trees back there. This lighting is a vibe. But y'all, since it is getting late, I'm gonna have to show y'all how I decorate tomorrow. So stay tuned. This is my last one. She didn't make it into the pictures, but I wanted to show y'all this other technique that I'm doing that I didn't show. You can just wipe it down and then you'll get these brush strokes instead of the other texture. And I really like this too. It looks really good. Yeah, if you keep doing that, you will eventually end up with this texture on your pumpkin if you like it. I love it. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. It's different than the other ones. Definitely a favorite. I'm gonna finish this one up and then you'll see the final results in the next clip or when I decorate my front porch. So this is how the pumpkins turned out. I love it, y'all. My shadow is a paid actor. This one is my favorite one. At first, I didn't want pink mom because I didn't think it would go with the wreath, but it actually goes really well with the wreath. The pink and white and then the burgundy. So surprised how it actually looks so good. So I am very proud about that.